Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Today, we're going sort of international. We're going to make some Tuscan Marry Me Chicken. Now, I define comfort food as a protein and a creamy sauce over rice or pasta, and this is going to fit it, my friends. So, without further ado, let's get to it. What I have here is about 3 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I've cut into strips. Here I have some flour. Now, as always, my friends, I'm not going to say amounts out loud because, the recipe down there below calls for 1 cup of spinach. This is probably 2.5. It's just how I felt today. But down below, in the description section, are all the ingredients, their amounts, and the directions. I wouldn't do you wrong. All right, to this flour, I'm going to add some of our favorite stuff, Cattleman's Grill Tuscan steak seasoning. We'll get that mixed up with the flour, all good and incorporated. Then our chicken strips, we're gonna throw in a couple good pinches of salt and pepper, and then we're gonna mix that all in. Then we're gonna dredge it in the flour. Then it goes onto this baking sheet for the next step, which happens over at the stove. We'll see you over there. Our chicken's been all dredged. In my big ass cast iron skillet here, I have some butter. I'm gonna get that on medium heat and get an equal amount of olive oil in there. Got the good Kerrygold Irish butter, because I care about the people I cook for.
Damn right.
All right, the butter's pretty much melted, the oil's sizzling a little bit. So now in batches, we're gonna get those chicken cooked about 3-4 minutes per side. Get it a good 80 to 90% done. Don't crowd the pan. Do it in batches if you need to. I don't know why I'm holding this and using my fingers. I'm just silly. Alrighty, looks like it's gonna take us about 2 batches, so I'll get this done. Set these chickens over on this, these chickens? It was several chickens. Set the chicken over on the rack, and then we'll be back with the next step. We'll see you then. All right, just finishing up that second batch of chicken. We're gonna get that, set it aside. Now in goes our garlic. Gonna cook that for just about 30 seconds. Then in with our chicken stock. Get all the fond off the bottom of the pan. Now any flour that we had left over from our chicken, we're gonna dump that in there now. No need to waste that, just gonna help us thicken this thing up. What you heard behind me is my Ninja Foodie. I'm cooking up some rice. We'll do some special stuff with that at the very end. Just follow the manufacturer instructions for the rice in the Instant Pot, Ninja Foodie, whatever you're using. Specifically on this one, it's 2 minutes on high pressure, followed by a 10-minute natural release. We want this to have a little pizzazz, so you can add chili flakes. We love the Flat Iron Pepper Company, dark and smoky. Yeah. It's mostly chipotle, good stuff. Also gonna add some more of that Tuscan seasoning from Cattleman's Grill. And some diced up, sun-dried tomatoes. Give that a few minutes for all those flavors to meld. Gonna hit it with another pinch of salt and pepper. Ah, it is looking and smelling amazing already. We've still got ingredients to go. All right, let's get into the finishing touches. In goes our heavy cream. I lowered the heat first. So we're on a medium-low right now. We'll get that stirred in. Gonna bring that to a very low simmer. Now we're gonna add all of our chopped spinach. And about half of our basil, reserving some for garnish. We'll let that go for a little bit till our spinach wilts a little bit more, and then we'll hit the next step. All right, now we're gonna add in the Padano cheese. It's like Parmesan, it's a hard cheese, but it's a little bit more nutty than Parmesan. If you can't find it at your store, then you can use Parmesan. Now I'm going to return the chicken to the pot and let this all simmer together for 15-20 minutes until everybody's ready to eat. All right, let's go do something with that rice. All right, the rice is done cooking. It's gone through its 10 minutes and it's vented off. So now I'm going to add about, I've got 3 cups in here. I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of butter, and then I'm going to use the rest of my Padano Padano cheese that I have left. Grate that up in there. And then I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of chopped up basil for prettiness and flavor. And we'll get that all mixed together. Alrighty, next step is judgment. We'll see you then. Alrighty, got it all plated up. It's looking gorgeous. Speaking of gorgeous, it's time for judgment from the director. Alrighty. How was your day at work, director?
It was all right.
All right, well, let's make it better.
Oh my God.
Oh, you're good. Oh, did I screw it up?
Oh, that's freaking delicious.
Freaking delicious? All right. You know, I can bleep words out if I need to.
This is the bomb.
All right. Not too much. Does it have any bite to it? I did use some.
I have a tiny bite.
Okay. Yep, those chili flakes. I thought I'd get there.
Not bad. I don't like it though.
All right, there we go. We made the director happy. Hey, I hope you enjoyed what you saw today. Hit that subscribe button and become a subscriber. Sunscriber. Sunscriber. Hit the thumbs up. That's a like. It's good for us. Leave us a comment. Do you like Tuscan Marry Me Chicken? I don't know. Let us know.
Okay, quit talking so I can eat more.
All right. Hey, thank you so much for joining us today. Until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.